Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video let's see some of the things that Android can do iPhone still can't. So consider this as iPhone iOS settings, so that rearrange is now possible. But beside that, there are some of the things that still iPhone can do. Here's back tap center. That happens some of the times if you are using triple or double back tap to take screenshots. Anyway, that's not the thing. Here if we swipe 3 fingers, there's a screenshot options. There is nothing like that in iOS. Alright, if I swipe right from here, control center in Xiaomi, control center again. But if I swipe right, nothing happens. If I want to go to notifications, then I have to swipe from down and swipe again, then I will get to see my notifications. But in Android, if I swipe right, it will just directly go to notifications, which is really helpful, trust me, in your day-to-day uses. Alright, not only that, there are some other things like open some apps. Alright, there are multiple apps are currently opened. So if I do the same in Android, here multiple apps are open. So if I press this close button, all the apps are gone, but I have to close these manually. If you are a multitasker user, then this is really a annoying situation in your daily life. Really it is. And one of the last thing that is the god of customizations, which is, you probably know already, this theme options. In iOS there is not any theming options, so these theme options basically change everything from this status icon to apps icon to colors. Everything changes, but there's nothing like that in iOS. So yeah, that's really a part of customizations because it gives you freedom to change literal everything. These are some things that iOS still can do. Hopefully they will add soon. Thank you guys, see you in the next one. Peace out.